Hello everyone. In this section, we are going to discuss about the concept digital electronics. The branch of electronics is divided into two groups, namely analog electronics and digital electronics. So actually it is a branch of electronics. So divided into two groups. One is analog electronics, another one digital electronics. Okay, so in analog electronics, data is represented by a continuously varying signal called analog signal. So analog means here data is represented by a continuously varying signal called analog signal. For example, a voltage or current that keep up all possible values in a given range is an analog signal. A voltage or current that takes up all possible values in a given range is analog signal. Okay, so the next one is here the digital electronics. So here data is represented by a binary numbers 0 and 1 using digital signal. So therefore by using 0 and 1 is called digital electronics. So for example, a voltage which takes up values 0 volts or 5 volts is a digital signal. Okay, so actually digital electronics, it is a branch of electronics, so which represented by a binary numbers. So what are here binary numbers? There is a two number, one is called here 0 and another one is here 1. These two called as here binary number. Okay, so this is the digital electronics where the data is represented by a 0 and 1. So this is called as here digital electronics. So you are all familiar that if we are going to see a watch like this. So here this is how 12, 1, 2, 3, like that, so on. So here 6, here 9. So this is where actually this is what we called as this one as a analog system. Okay, so this is the analog system. If you are going to so some watches like that, you are going to like 1 hour, 10 minutes, like 30 seconds. So this kind of, so this is called the digital system. Okay, so this is the analog system, this is the digital system. The similarly in that way here, the digital electronics, that is where the data is represented by a binary number, so that is 0 and 1 is called as here digital electronics. The next concept is here Boolean algebra. So George Boolean developed algebra to solve the logical problems. So this algebra is known as Boolean algebra. So Boolean algebra based on the concept of true or false, or right or wrong, or maybe high or low. The binary digits 1 and 0 are used to represent the true or false, or right or wrong, or high or low. So that is respectively. So what here Boolean algebra means? So this is what? So to solve some logical problems. So this is we called as here Boolean algebra. So Boolean algebra, it is based on the concept of, that is what, the using the binary system. So that is 0 and 1. Okay, so here 0 and 1 represents what? True or false, right or wrong, or high or low. So here 1 and 0, it is represented here. So this is 1 is taken as a true, means 0 is taken as here false. Okay, so if you are taken this one as a right and this one as a wrong, or 1 is taken as a high, so 0 is taken as a low. So this is the representation of the binary number, so that is 0 and 1. So Boolean algebra means it is a what? So it is to solve the some logical problems which is developed by George Boolean. Okay, so this is called as here Boolean algebra. So it is used by two numbers, one is 0, another one is here 1. So 0 represents false, wrong, low, whereas 1 represents true, right or high. So that is respectively. So the next concept is logic gates. Logic gate. So logic gate is a building block of digital electronics which can perform logical function. So logic gate is a building block of digital electronics which can perform logical functions. Okay, so this is called as here logic gate. So it is a building blocks of digital electronics, so that is which perform the logical function. So logic gates are used in, so the application of the logic gates. So it is used in calculator, second one digital watches, third one computer, fourth one robots, and fifth one industrial control system, and last one is in telecommunication system. Okay, so this is the applications of the logic gate. So the logic gate is here building block of digital electronics which can perform logical function. So there are some uses or applications of logic gates here. So they are used in calculators, digital watches, computer, robots, industrial control system, and as well as in telecommunication system. Okay, so next one is here, the next concept, truth table. Truth table of a logic gate is a list of its output for different possible input combination. So a truth table of a logic gate is a list of its output for different possible input combination. Okay, so this is called as here truth table. A truth table of logic gates is here the list of output. So there are three basic logic gates. So there are three basic logic gates, namely first one AND gate, second one OR gate, third one NOT gate. Okay, so now let us study about AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. The first one is here AND gate. A logic gate which gives high output only when all inputs are high is called AND gate. So a logic gate which gives high output only when all inputs are high, so is called AND gate. Okay, so here the logic gate which gives high output. High means what? Represent what? Two binary number. One is 0, another one is 1. So 1 is represent here high and 0 is represent here low. The similarly right or wrong? So or here higher, low. Okay. So now here the output of AND gate is represented by Boolean expression. So that is, it is represented as y is equal to a into b. So here a and b are the two inputs, y is here output. So a and b are here input of the AND gate and y is here output of the AND gate. So AND gate, the symbolical representation of AND gate is So let us see here, this is the two inputs, okay. It is represented by like this. This is the output Y. So this is the input A, this is the input B, and this is the AND gate. So that is output Y is equal to A dot B. So this is the AND gate circuit symbol. Now let us see the truth table of AND gate. So next one is here, truth table of AND gate. The truth table of AND gate is here like this. Here, this one is here input, this one is here output, okay. Here is A and B. So two inputs, one output. Y is equal to A dot B. Now if A is 0 means here low, okay, then B is also low. What about the output? The output is also low. If the A is low, okay, then the B is high. What about the output? Again it is low, okay. So next one, if A is high, B is low, again the output is here low. So next, if A is high, B is also high, then output is high. So this is the truth table of the AND gate. As said in the definition, a logic gate which gives high output. High output means the value is here 1. Only when all the input are high. So only all the input means A and B both are 1 1, then only the output is high, is called AND gate. So this is the symbolical representation A dot B. So therefore here is the combination of the inputs 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 1 1. So these are the combination of the input. So this is the output. So if it is both low, it is also low. If anyone is also high, so one of is low means it is also low. If one of is low means it is also low. Only it is high when the both the input is high. Okay, this is about the AND gate. Next we are moving on to the OR gate. OR gate. So a logic gate, so the definition of logic gate is here, a logic gate which gives high output when one of the input is high is called OR gate. Means a logic gate which gives high output when one of the input is high is called OR gate. Okay. The output of OR gate represented by Boolean expression is Y is equal to A plus B. So here Y is equal to output, A and B is the input of the, so that is the logic gates. So the circuit symbol of OR gate. The circuit symbol of OR gate is here represented by like this. So this is the one input, this one is the another input. The representation is like this here. This is Y is equal to A plus B. This is A, this is B. So A and B are here two inputs. So Y is equal to A plus B is here output. So a logic gate which is, so now let us see the truth table. So now here the truth table of the OR gate. So this is the truth table. So now again one is input. So input, this one is here output. input is here 2, A and B. The output is here y is equal to A plus B. Now again start with the combination. So if A is low, B is also low, output is also low. Okay. So if A is low, B is high, the output is high. If B is here high, A is high, B is low, again the output is high. If both are high, then output is also high here. So this is the truth table of the OR gate. So here is the logic gate which gives high means here the value is high means 1. So when outputs, so any one of the input is here high. Any one of the input, so any one of the input either A or B is high means so output is also high. So if you are going to observe here 0 and 0 means both are low. So therefore here output is also low. So if you are going to observe here, this is the low, this one is high. So any one of is high, the output is high. So if any one, so here A is high, so therefore here is high. So both high means the output is also high here. Okay. The next gate is here NOT gate. NOT gate is a logic which has only one input whose output is the complement of the input. So is a logic gate which has only one input whose output is the complement of the input. So is called here NOT gate. The NOT gate is also called as here inverter. So it is also called here, it is called as here inverter gate. Why? Because it is inverts the input. So if it is low, output is high. Okay, if input is high, output is low. Means it inverts the input value. So therefore here it is called as inverter. So this Boolean expression, the representation of NOT gate is Boolean expression is y is equal to A bar. Okay, so this is the symbolical representation. Next one is here circuit symbol. So how means like this one. So this is the only one input, so that is A. This is the only output here. Y is equal to A bar. So now let us see the truth table. So truth table. So one is input, another one is output. Here only one input y, here y is equal to A bar, the only one input. So now if here input A is low, output is high. If input is high, output is low. So it is inverts the value. Therefore it is called as here inverter. So it is has the only one input, so which output is complement of the input. So it is complement to the input. Therefore it is called as here NOT gate. The next concept is here universal gates. Universal gate. So NAND and NOR gate are called as universal gate. So NAND and NOR is called as universal gates. Why? Any logic gates can be constructed by using NAND or NOR gates. Hence, NAND or NOR gates are called universal gates. So let us see the first one, that is NAND gate. NAND gate. A logic gate which gives low output when all inputs are high is called NAND gate. So here a logic gate which gives low output when inputs are high is called NAND gate. The symbolical Boolean expression for the NAND gate is y is equal to a dot b bar. If we are going to observe here, y is equal to a dot b is AND gate. Okay. So here why we are going to, so like this bar means it is for combination of NOT and AND gate. So therefore y is equal to a dot b bar. Okay. So the circuit symbol of NAND gate is the similarly as previously AND gate. The only the difference is here is the NOT. So this is the y is equal to a dot b bar whole bar. This is the input A. This is the input B. So now let us see the truth table. So 1 is here. So truth table. Input, this is output. A and B are the two input. Y is equal to a dot b bar. Okay. So now see the combinations 0, 0. Here output is here 1. Again here 0, 1. The combination is here 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so this is the truth table of the NAND gate. So what is here? A logic gate which gives low output only when inputs are high. So both the inputs are high, it gives the low output. So therefore here 0 represents for the low output, 1 is for the high input. So if you are going to observe the combination of the inputs, so where it is both high, the output is here low. Okay, this is the NAND gate. The last one is here NOR gate. So this is the combination of NOT and OR gate. A logic gate which gives low output when one of the inputs is high is called NOR gate. Okay. The Boolean expression for the NOR gate is y is equal to a plus b whole bar. So means here a plus b represents the input and y is equal to a plus b bar is represented here output of the NOR gate. The circuit symbol for the NOR gate is, so this is the input A, this is the input B. Okay. So now the same as in the OR gate representation, the only thing is here NOT. So this is the output, y is equal to a plus b whole bar. Okay. So now let us see the truth table. So truth table for OR gate. So that is the NOR gate. Means it is a combination of NOT and OR gate. So now here is the input. This one is the output. So two input that is A and B. So therefore here y is equal to A plus B bar. Now write down the combinations 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So far, so two are low, this is high. So another one is here low output. So what the definition says, a logic gate which gives low output when one of the input is high. So either one of the input is high, means one is represented here for what? High. So if any one of the input is here high, so then the output is here low. So this is the NAND gate and this is the NOR gate. Okay. So continuing in the next class. Thank you.